Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, baby. Back with another unboxing. All right, we're back with another video. But before I get into that, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike them, thumbs down. Comment, share, subscribe. All that good stuff. Share the video, blah, blah, blah. Cuts by Reggie. Appreciate everybody who subscribed so far. We're getting close to that 1,000 mark. But today unboxing is a little bit different, all right? So, as you can, I don't know if you can see that, but we got a few things here today, right? But the simple fact is, I haven't bought a lot of stuff from Tomb45 in the sense of products. I mean, in the sense of like machinery and things. But I thought it was about time to give some things a try. I mean, I used the shaving gel. I got the Shine Cuts hair color card. I got a few things. I got a razor and all that stuff. But today, and if y'all know about the Tomb45, a lot of their stuff was on back order. They was on back order anyway, because the way that they operate. But it was also on a bigger back order once the coronavirus and everything else shut us down for a while, right? Excuse me. Shut a lot of factories down. They couldn't get a lot of stuff out. But today, we have everything that I've been waiting on. So what do we want to start with first? You see the size of the box. You obviously know what it is. Let's get in here. Tomb45, Die Legend. Finally, I know I'm hitting tripod, but we're gonna try to get this out the way. Finally, me, Cuts by Reggie, is able to try the Tomb45 Power Mat. All right, I ordered this a little while ago, and like I said, they had things on back order, but it's here. All right, I have a few different clips. I have one for the TI. I'll show it to you. Boom. We're gonna unbox it. Matter of fact, let's open it up now. Let's open it up now. See how it feels. See how it looks. See how to operate this machinery right here. Move some of this stuff out the way. Charger. It already comes with one of the charging stations on here. There we go. Got for the beam. It comes with one, like I said. What you do, you just put them right there, you plug it in there, you put it right there. It comes with one, then you got stations for 3 more. Then of course you got this room to do other stuff with it. So boom, Tomb45 Power Mat. That's one thing, right? But while I was waiting on that one, and I know my wife probably gonna be mad at me, so don't tell her I'm telling y'all this, right? While I was waiting on that power mat, I seen that FW Barber Supply, I think that's what it is on Instagram, they had some. So I got impatient and I bought another one. So I have 2 Tomb45 Power Mats. What I'm gonna do with the other one, at this moment, I have no idea, but we'll figure it out, all right? So boom, we got the power mats out the way. Move that out the way. I'm gonna clean all this up, right? But if you got the power mats to go with your clippers, you can't, it don't work without their extender. So got one for the wall magic clip, the wall finale shaver. That's one for the wall senior right there. Y'all know I got them wall soles. So we're gonna put that one on there. What we got? Another one for the magic clip, because if y'all been watching, y'all know I like to use magic clips. I got 2 of them. And then I got a few backups of those. So one for the Babyliss trimmer. Got that, the gold Babyliss, go there, fix it to the Lexus, you know what I mean. And then we got the extra charging, what they call wireless charging pads. So you put those in there. I'm gonna show a setup after this. Because my station is actually, the way that it's cluttered right now, won't fit that on there. So what I'm gonna have to do is move some things around and then lay it out, but we gonna get it, all right? Boom, all right? But with all that, I got the charging mat, I got the extra clips. I got the pads. Nah. And I also had to get the Tomb45 Beam Team XL. I never got a chance to try the first version of them, of the Beam Team compressor. So this is my the actual first one that I'm able to try. Right now I got the regular old compressor that plugs up into the wall. But I thought, why not try this one out while we at it? You know what I'm saying? Let's open this up real quick. I'm making a mess in the barbershop. Luckily it's Sunday. Ain't nobody here. I'm just throwing stuff all over the place. I'm gonna clean it up. I promise you I'm gonna clean it up. All right. Open this thing up. Flap that thing open. I like his hard cut. This is nice right here. This is nice. Beam. I see. I met Beam one time here in Knoxville at the hair show. Little warranty stuff. Is that what it is? Yeah, for warranty and product related concerns. And this is the actual compressor. I see. All right. Got the trigger. I like that they got it like this because don't mind you know you got the one that pull up to the top. I like to be able to try the gun, the trigger out. Yeah, just a quick unboxing. So let me set this up and we'll be back. We'll be back.
Let's go boom.
All right, now you see we got the setup. Tomb45, of course. If you're a barber, you know it's only gonna look so nice for so long. I'm still kind of straightening up. Like I said, kind of cleaning up here at the shop. So we got the Tomb45 with the magic clips. We got the Babeless FXs, the finales. Then we got the Beam XL compressor. This one, I'm gonna have to see about because I got it to fit on my magic clip, but neither one of these fit on the magic clip. So on this version of the magic clip. So I got one that's for supposedly for the seniors, and then one that's for the magic clips. And it fit on this one, but the body on this one is different. So I tried to use the one for the seniors, but it did not fit. So we'll see about that. So those are my setup. And of course, you still got my backup. These are gonna be in a review video if they're not out yet. Of course, my JRL, my hitters, magic clips, Flash Pro FX is from Babeless. So yeah, we just moving some stuff around, man. These are some of my other clippers that y'all see the reviews and stuff. So those are some of my clippers. I got some stuff down there. We're trying to clean everything up, make sure everything look nice and stuff. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the videos and all that good stuff. If you dislike the video, press thumbs down. I also forgot to mention when I was unboxing everything that I got some more Shine Cuts hair color cards too, also powered by, also from Tomb45. So I got the the whole Tomb45 setup. We'll find somewhere to put these. And then, like I said, I do have a second power mat. Either I sell it, giveaway, I don't know quite yet, but we'll figure something out with that one. But here we go. And I'm gonna leave a review on the XL here soon. This is what I've been using for a while. First time using a cordless one, especially the one from Tomb45. So we'll leave a review on that here real soon. All right.